is wrong with all you guys? How come you can't ever fucking do anything you're supposed to do? Them fucking guys, I bet you they're up fucking off. What the fuck are you doing? Up here fucking talking, hanging out, supposed to be working, fucking make your money and you dick off all fucking day. I'm telling you, I gotta run up St. Clairsville. When I come back, that black car better be fucking cut up, pulled in the fucking garage in peace. What the fuck are you recording? Shut that fucking thing off. I'm serious. The car better be fucking cut up. The black Mustang, okay, so you understand, needs to be cut up. The black, dented, wrecked Mustang. By the end of the day. You fucking got it? Alright. Got it? Yeah. I'm serious. He's an asshole.